Our client on this project approached me and mentioned she had a project that would be different from most others. The type of person that I am, that appealed to me to work with her on a project that was going to be outside of the square. My name is Luke Humphreys and I'm the owner of Tall Timber Constructions in Mudgee. When the owner first approached me about this project, she spoke of Chris Nance at Traditional Timber Framing. Chris was responsible for making all the hardwood trusses which we've used on this project. His craftsmanship was excellent. We were nervous about using a contractor we didn't know, however Chris's professionalism came through and we were very happy with the result. I've grown up in a building family all my life. My great-grandfather was a carpenter. My father was a builder for 30 years in Bathurst. I was fortunate enough to do my apprenticeship with Dad in Bathurst. I've spent a number of years working in Sydney and I moved to Mudgee 8 years ago. The architect on this job has done a tremendous job with the design. He's had to cram a whole house worth of design ideas into a very small footprint. So at 120 metres, it's probably the smallest house I've ever built. The shed looks like it belongs in this rural setting. It's a very subtle and simple view. We were always trying to tie the new shed in with the old 100-year-old hay shed that we're sitting next to. The use of the corrugated iron on the outside of this shed helps to make you realise you're in the country. The finishing stage of this project were very satisfying. To see all the components come together and to see the end product is why we go to work each day. The clients on this project were excellent to work with. They had a very good understanding of what products they wanted to use in the house. Ultimately, all the selections came together and we've been left with a project which is truly tremendous. It's very satisfying when you turn up on site and see a project like this completed with a happy client. It makes you realise that the effort and the time spent in the project is well and truly worth it. The traditional frames that we used formed the raking ceiling of the living area. There is no doubt that this is an absolutely tremendous feature of this house and gets comment by every single person who visits it. Once you walk inside, you realise that the house has been orientated to take into account the tremendous view down the valley into Mudgee and also the vineyard that surrounds it. Our clients on this project are very happy with the result, and I'd have to say it's the most satisfying build I've ever been involved with.